Yeah, we live. Back again. After 20 hours. What's up? You're the first viewer. Welcome. I just posted a TikTok before going live for the first time. I wonder if it'll do good. Let's watch it. I wonder if people are gonna join because of it. This one. I was inspired by AutoGPT and AgentGPT. How these work is you give it a goal and it keeps prompting ChatGPT. You can access the internet, do Google searches until it reaches a goal, and then I'm trying to extend this to be able to make software. The development will be live on all platforms. So if you see me live, come say hi. Or just please follow. I was inspired by AutoGPT and AgentGPT. How these work is you give it a goal and it keeps prompting chat. Alright, you guys want to see it? AJI? I want to know if there's any changes since I last committed. Let's bring this in there. Upstream main, nope. I don't know if that's fetched. Everything is up to date. This is it. I also have the code runner. This one. I might run in a commander this time because it might look better. Is there like a full screen button on this? Yeah, okay, sick. I'm gonna move in here. There we go. Make it bigger. That's good. AJI. Code runner. Ooh, module not found. What node version am I running? 14. Let's do 18. Ooh. Sweet. Listen in on port 420,000, 420,100. Let's see if this works. So last stream we were trying to just do the very basic thing of sending, telling it to write a node file, write a JS file that can be run with node to print hello world. Deploy. Got some error here. Is there error here? Class undefined here. Class extends undefined. Let me, remove that. What was it? Have I changed something? I swear this was working when I left off. Oh, nothing in there. Oh, upstream main, damn. Pull this. Let's just check it out first, I guess. No. Oh, we'll leave it. I doubt it's anything that would be fixed by that. Yo, Tux09 on Twitch has asked, is using the API expensive? How much? Nah, feel like I haven't really gone full in on it. I've actually been quite frugal, but I just checked today and I'll show you guys my my billing. Billing? No, usage, sorry. So the first day I got it, I only used 5 cents on the API. And I think that was from like, I don't know, under an hour usage. It would be like maybe 40 minutes usage. It cost me 5 cents. So it's not bad. Tuck says you pay for a page response. No, you pay per token you submit for ChatGPT at least. I'll show you. Here. So you see GPT-4 is 3 cents per 1,000 tokens of prompting with the 8K context. ChatGPT is like considerably cheaper. It's like 6 times cheaper, I think. I don't know. My maths is... It's quick math, but it's not accurate math. Seems good. Did I use it extensively? No. As I said, I was only testing very like carefully for 40 minutes then. Yesterday was, yeah. Okay, so what's the issue here? Yeah, I think ChatGPT 4 is like at least 2 or 3 times more expensive. For sure. Type error. Is this it? Is this really it? Oh, there could be. What node version am I running here? There's always some issue with the node versions. I think I have to use this particular one. 14.17? I don't think that's it. 16.17. I think that is the one. Wait. How did I run this before with npm? Oh, yarn dev. Run dev. Okay, node is incompatible. Okay, let's... Maybe I was on the right one, but I didn't run the right thing. Nope, not this time. Oh, I can't remember which node version I was using, and if I was using yarn dev even. There we go. 18.16 was the right one. Tux09 asks, I was thinking what would be cheaper, using the API for coding or just the subscription is fine. Well, you have to pay for the subscription. But you're limited on the non-API side for like 25 messages per 3 hours. Yo, SBioLink sent me a rose on TikTok. Thank you. That jazz player, I can watch this all day. Makes me feel productive. Sweet. That's a good vibe to be given out. Yo, thanks for the follow, KG93C. What's happening? Alright, I finally got this running. Wait, I swear it was running before. I don't know. It's gonna be running even better this time. I figured out this name doesn't really do anything because it's hard coded. The name in this front end. I need to save this text again. I'll copy it, sorry. BLZZ asks, what's better, tester or developer? Don't make me pick sides. Oh, I'm gonna stop it here. Okay, so this is where we left off. Awesome, it's working now. JazzPlayer says developer and ethical hacker, but they're also sending black hat emojis, which is a bit of a mixed signal. So let's look at the things that happen here. So I've written, I want the goal for this JavaScript GPT to write a JavaScript file that can print hello world. It added the task to echo hello world into a file called helloworld.js, and then another task to run node helloworld.js. And now if I go into my server, let's see if that actually ran on my local machine. But no. Wait, what? Oh, I don't think I've run it. Oh, no, I'm running it on this. I forgot. So I don't even need that anymore, potentially. Standard out was blank. See, we figured this out. This is the exact issue we got into yesterday. Is if I actually do node hello world, the standard out is actually blank because they have it in quotation marks. It shouldn't be in quotation marks in the file. And we're going to try to get ChatGPT to debug that by itself. And then the plan will be working. Alright, JazzPlayer says, without a developer there is no code to test. Without hackers there is no secure environment. A tester is great for usability and minor bugs, in my honest opinion. Hamza, hey! Thank you for saying hi. That's good. I said say hi in the chat. You're the first person that said specifically hi, I think. Yeah, Hamza, well done. Well done. Alright. I'm gonna run the server again and then hide this for now. And here's where we're up to in the code. Where are we up to? Let's find that. In this execute, where I do the execute, it's in the execute. I need to make this smaller so I can just see this properly. I'll make it bigger once we're in the code again. App.post. Where do I do the... Here. Exactly here. So execute task sends it to the model, whereas I've commented that out here. So normally when AgentGPT gets tasks, it sends it to ChatGPT or whatever model you're using. Whereas here I've got it sending it to my server that actually executes the code. Hamza says, trying to do what you do when I'm older. Sick. Which one? Software development? It's good, man. Coding and shit, but who knows what it's gonna look like in the future. Might not need to know how to code in code. It seems like we're trending towards knowing how to be able to code in like just English, which should work. Like being able to logically explain how things should work. Or whatever language. Doesn't have to be English, but you know what I mean, like spoken language. Because these models are so good at translating between them. It'll be insane. I think. Well, they will be, for sure, in the future. Yeah, software development. Hamza. Is your picture from the dude from Boondocks? Is it Riley or Ray? Something like that. All right, I'm gonna console log the task here, and how are we gonna decide? Because the task is, we didn't actually see what happens, did we? Oh no, here we go. Oh, it got stuck in a loop. Okay, create a new file named Hello World, open the file in a text editor, write the following code, save the file. No, where did these come from? I think they came from ChatGPT. Where else would they have come from? We need to make sure it does one command at a time, I think. How many times was it thinking? I think I need to do more research in this front end. Barazi says, how did testing go on DgenGPT? I didn't really test it that far, but what happened was it started looking at the top 50 coins on Litecoin by market cap, and by then I knew it wasn't really what I wanted to do, so I kind of stopped it. That was on AgentGPT, but on AutoGPT, I got into some actual error, some bug. Huey, yeah, that was that. Boondocks did. He was a G. Okay, what was I doing? Trying to find these. Oh, here we go. Where did these come from? 62. This.tasks in 62 in the loops of this file. So this file is pretty important, this autonomous agents one. It has this function called loop here that loops and does all the loop, and I don't want it to loop too much. AgentGPT does multiple tasks. Maybe I do. I don't know. Farizi says you might be onto something there. With the crypto one? For sure. I mean, you could definitely change it so it works. I didn't really put too much time into it. You should do it on stream, and then I'll watch you do it. Or do you want me to do it? Okay, well we can do it. Let's give it a go. I'll give it a go for you guys. Agent. Agent. All right. Ready? Crypto DgenGPT. Find new cryptocurrencies with potential to 10x in the next week. Deploy. Diego. Hello AJ, as a no coder who just stumbled on ChatGPT, how do I run AutoGPT and use GitHub? Yeah, AutoGPT is actually kind of hard. Even for me, it wasn't the easiest to set up. So you should try AgentGPT, Diego. You don't need to code or anything. Just go to this website, agent.reworked.ai, or just Google AgentGPT. It's the first answer for me. One thing about it though is it goes fast, dude. It's already done 10 tasks, and I can't keep up with what it's doing and read the chat at the same time. But we can get glimpses. Monitor the market closely over the next week. This thing wants to take a week to do it, dude. It's chosen Polkadot, Linked Uniswap. See, it keeps doing already trusted, not new cryptos. Oh, and then it says, we're sorry, because this is a demo, we can't have our agents running for too long. Oh, but you can provide your own API key. I thought I did. So you can run this for free without an API key now. That's awesome. Shouts out to AgentGPT, guys. They are awesome. Does AgentGPT actually deploy tasks? Ask for easy. It does tasks. The way it does tasks is either Google's or searches internet, or I think it can scrape other websites too. Maybe. Actually, let's find out. I will add my own key. Just give me 2 minutes, guys. Okay, I think I added my key. Macoridger, thanks for the like. All right, I'm gonna try get it to scrape a website. What website should I get it to scrape? I'll get it to scrape my one. I have a website at apricot.io. I'll be like, get the phone number for on apricot.io. Get the phone number on www.apricot.io. Web surfer. Oh, this looks like it's doing it correctly. Phone number not found on apricot.io. Check if phone number is located on any other page associated to apricot.io. Develop an algorithm to extract the phone number. Okay, this is a lot worse than I remember. And now they're like, it's not ethical. Get the phone number. Oh boy. Okay, let's stop this. It does tend to go on loops in tangents in directions you wouldn't want it to go. So I'm gonna go back to my version, AJI. And oh, sorry, I needed to stretch there, and I ended up doing a peace sign on the way. But yeah, this loop. I want it to do tasks one at a time. I think it still does. It just adds them to a big queue, which is okay. Oh, there was this other one, guys. I actually just saw this God mode. I always get distracted. What was it? How do I find this? I haven't made a video of this one. Is it this? No, it's not this. Maybe it's not. There's one called God mode or something, but I can't find it. God mode, is it on GitHub? Oh, it could be this. No, it's not that. God mode dot space, says Khalid. Oh yes, that's it, dude. Khalid Nakata, shouts out to them. This is the one that I haven't reviewed yet. I haven't used this, so let's use it together. God mode. Local, has anyone hacked your local server yet, bro? Not that I know of. I haven't noticed any differences. Okay, let's see if this one can access the internet. Find the phone number on www.apricot.io. Let's see. Open API key. Did I still have the copy? Oh, I totally did. Excellent. All right. Oh, sick. This is actually better user interface. So what these guys have done is actually let you choose the tasks or add your own task. Wow. Oh, that's so smart. Or is it? I don't know. It's great. I think that's a great decision compared to AgentGPT and AutoGPT. You don't really... Oh, actually on AutoGPT it does ask. At least on AgentGPT it doesn't really ask you whether you want to add a task or which tasks you want to add. One-Eyed Willy, thanks for the like. But here in God mode it actually does ask you. So let's see what the tasks are. Navigate to the website. Yeah, that sounds good. Inspect the page. Yep. For the phone number. Oops, I meant to put add. Oh, that is add. Extract the phone number on step 2. Awesome. Wow, it just doxed my API key twice. Sorry, you can delete those really easily. Alright, so those are the tasks. Let's see what it does. The AI is starting. Sit back and relax. Wonder how long this will take. I could do a push-up in the meantime. Let's... I have a feeling it's not actually doing it. Hey, let me refresh off the page because I swear it's going to show my API key again. God damn it, it just removed it. Alright, what did I type? Khalid says it keeps looping. Yeah, that seems like it's the case with all of them. But the cool thing about this is you can add different tasks. Oh my god. I knew that would happen too. I liked the UI until I got onto this page. This page blew it, which is like the main page. Alright, we should I'll leave this running to see if it will work. Or not. Is there errors in the chat? In the chat. In the console. Open AI rate exceeded, apparently. That's what it says when the credit card isn't linked, but I don't know. Anyway, there's that one, God mode. It looks cool. The task adding thing definitely, I thought it was cool. It'd be cool if it's optional, so you kind of do want it to be autonomous sometimes. So where was mine up to? Mine, I'm gonna do the console like this. Better or worse? It's worse. Okay. Okay. So it came out with the task to do it. These two tasks that it came out with are 100% correct. Oh well, not really actually. Well, like, yeah, it's a good attempt at least. Executing that, thinking. After it executes, let's go through the loop. Loop, it gets the tasks. If it's running, send manual if it's not running. Whoa. Okay, if the task equals 0, then completed message. Max loops. Send loop message. The number of loops is greater than max loops. Okay, wait before starting. Ooh, we have a promise of R. The fuck is R? Oh, it's anything. Okay, I've never seen this before, but is this how you write await in Next API? Maybe. Zodiac asks, what else can you do with AgentGPT? Well, I haven't actually got it to successfully do anything, so I'm gonna just I don't know, let the people figure that one out. Diego says, I asked AgentGPT to scrape TikTok and find me phone numbers, and it says no due to ethical issues. I try to get, yeah. Actually, mine did say that after a while. Ethical issues. Well, it seems with AgentGPT now you can specify other models, maybe? Thinking message. Play the tasks, push the first task. Current task. Could log that as well. Current task, thinking, execute task. Okay, sweet. Execute task. No, here's the thing. We need, there's gonna be times where I don't want to execute the next task, or I shouldn't be getting a next task. Because I want it to kind of do it one task at a time. That looks like it's going to be a bunch of changes I have to think about doing. Zodiac Signs asks, do I need Docker to run it on my Windows system? For AgentGPT, no, you can just go to the website. Diego says, is there a paid version? I'm trying to scrape TikTok and find customers. That's a cool use case, Diego. Paid version for which one? We could try get it to do that. I think a lot of them don't have numbers, but dude, if it can go and find out who they are and get their numbers, that's actually crazy. But like, who has their number on their TikTok? No one. That's crazy, man. Shit. Okay, so I wanted to do tasks one at a time. So I want to find out where it gets tasks from. They come from this.tasks, right? Man, there's going to be a lot of tasks here. Add new task. Additional tasks. Okay, we can put this to... We can put that to not get new tasks. On what condition though? On what condition should it not look for new tasks? If it's like waiting for the execution of code, etc. Don't get new tasks. Okay, so that's something I want to code here. And execute tasks. Yeah. So now we need some way, I think that's enough actually. Now we need some way to be able to tell when we're waiting or not. I think we'll do that through the prompt notice. Sorry. Oops, sorry. Needed a sneeze. They say that's a really small cup. This one? Pretty big. It's like the size of my hand. Okay. I'm all out of tea, so I probably won't be drinking from that much longer. So I'm gonna go to the where I mess with the prompt. This prompt is the gold mine here. Yeah, it would be here. Chain TS. Yes. Start goal prompt. Start goal prompt. Task prompt. Oh, I need to change this too. Let's make this look nicer. I'm gonna prettier this whole file. Oh, it's still on one line. I want to be able to see this on one thing. It's a big ass prompt, but it's gonna be probably a lot bigger. So you are an autonomous software engineering AI with the following objective. Provide a list of batch commands to be inputted into a Windows terminal such that your goal is more closely reached or completely reached. You should run commands. You should run commands and wait for their responses and ask for their responses. Yes. I want to see in the format. When writing when providing a command, use backtick bash. Okay. In your response. Wait. Yeah. No, we'll leave that. I think we'll be able to figure it out. Wait. Oh. Let me reword this. Look at the chat. A good use case, having multiple agents configured by job responsibilities. Talking to each other through ChatGPT or preparing files. Yeah. Did you guys see that thing they did with the agents that lived in a village and they were able to like communicate and stuff? Pretty insane. trying to write this prompt. Provide a list of batch commands surrounded by backticks. Is that markdown? I think it's markdown. How do I say respond? Respond with batch commands to run. No, fuck. It's interesting, like there's many different ways I could write this. I don't know if how I should go about it. Haris Ahmad has asked, is there a way to give the AI a file and have it debug or reverse engineer it? Yeah, that's pretty much exactly what I'm doing, Haris. So I'm trying to get the AI to be able to run files and like read their output and be able to debug it. Try to automate that, because you can do that manually right now with ChatGPT 4. That's actually probably where I should try it. Okay, let's try out prompts in GPT-4. This is gonna be annoying because it's gonna have the backticks in it. Ooh. I mean, not the backticks, the backslashes. Alright, so here's what I'm telling it. You are an autonomous software engineering AI. Yeah. That's perfect. Oops. Provide I'm gonna do it one at a time. Now, let's do it one at a time. Provide batch commands surrounded by bricks. One at a time, surrounded by backticks. Along with thoughts on that decision. Batch commands to be inputted into a Windows terminal. One at a time, surrounded by one at a time. The command's text should be surrounded by backticks along with thoughts and rationale on that decision, such that your goal is more closely reached. I should put that on the back of this. Closely reached or completely reached. Khalid says, I think AgentGPT don't have an observable or criticism capability like AutoGPT to debug scripts. Well, they're both using ChatGPT, I'm pretty sure, so the smarts is the same. The brain is the same. Provide batch commands to be inputted in between batch commands. You will be... Is that how you write in between? Apparently there's a dash. you will be given the standard out of your command run or command when it is run. Use this to inform your following decisions. Dude, this is a good prompt in my opinion. Let's see if it works. Oh, I didn't give it a goal. Whoops. Okay, let's start again. We'll do what we're doing now. Write JS file that prints hello world. Boom. CD desktop. No, it's replying to itself. That's pretty cool. It even knows it's gonna be no output. Okay, wait, hold on. Here. Echo, no output. No. Oh no. It guessed wrong here. Oh, why did I delete that? I think I still have it saved. Okay. I'm gonna save this in the code just so we don't lose that either. And we're gonna make it all one line because I don't know. Okay. Oh, we forgot that template thing at the end. Oh my god, hold up here. Format instructions. I don't know if I need that, but they have it and I'm gonna include it as well. Like that. After the dot. I don't have a dot. Okay, so I'm gonna change okay, in between batch commands. Can I say I will give you a stout info for every command you run? I probably don't even need that. Oh man, let's start this again. I'm gonna copy this. I'm gonna remove that backticks thing. I don't think it's working as I wanted. Boom. That's real smaller and maybe better. No, it's giving me... Did I say one batch at a time? One at a time. It's giving me a full recipe. Provide only one batch command. Oh, I did say command. Be inputted to a Windows terminal. Okay. That's it, actually, yeah. I think this is better. More concise. And then in the response, we can be like the std out was XYZ. Let me delete this one. Start a new one. Got a message from Pepper Yo Angus. How would you recommend learning programming as a beginner now that AI has been so popular? I'd say use the AI as your teacher because it knows like a lot. It might be wrong, so always double check, but it's still really smart. It'll be smarter than any teacher I had growing up, especially for programming. So yeah, you can get it to write code for you, but obviously you're not going to learn if you don't know what it's written. So definitely whenever you're not sure about something, research it further, but get ideas from ChatGPT and like get excited from it for sure. Okay, here's the batch command. Arduino. Oh shit, he's done it all in one command this time. Echo console log. Oh, what? And they didn't even do the quotation marks. This would work. Oh my god, this is like God prompt. Excellent. Oh damn. I have to include goal back in this. Oops. Provide only one batch command to be improved. That's funny. That's so funny. Into a Windows terminal. Why is there an error? Towards the end. DJ asks, how would you suggest to go about creating the backend of an email scanner website? Email scanner website. So what's the input, DJ? Is it someone like, how are you scanning emails? Like an email account or a printout of an email you're physically scanning? I'm not sure. Lol, thank you for the follow. Appreciate it. Oh, it's this backtick. Oh, I saw it. What is that? What is that doing? Oh, I know why. Because this should be this. Okay. Okay. There we go. That's much better. Excellent. We have a good start goal prompt. So now let's try doing something else. Something more complex. And just see if ChatGPT 4 would give me the right things. I'm going to say scrape and find the phone number. It just gave me a Python code. Oh, I never specified do it in JavaScript. Let me try that again. It's still the same thing, I guess. I guess it... Shit, actually, I guess it doesn't matter. This is the Python script, but I want the batch command. So maybe I do have to always have like write a JS file that and then have the goal. That scrapes apricot and finds the phone number. Yo. Dude, this is perfect. Oh, wait, no. Okay, so it's given the script separately to the batch command, but that's fine. I think we should be able to figure that out. So how am I going to figure that out? I need to figure that out at the level where we execute. The level where we execute. How do I find that? DJ says was thinking they input their email. Okay. Or trying to create it as an extension. But it'll be a bit too hard as an extension. It might be easier if, otherwise it'll be an API. So you could do it in any backend if like the email provider gives you an API to be able to scrape their emails or scan their emails. Otherwise you might have to do it as an extension. Or you give it as a... Yeah, otherwise I think like as a security level. Security thing, you probably want it. Okay, where was that? Or autonomous agent. Tommy on Kelly, thanks for the rose. Shouts out Tommy on Kelly. That's a sick picture. We both got the digital rain. Let's go. I wish I could see people's profiles from clicking here, but I can't. DJ says they need to find the pick the faster option as they're on a time limit. Damn. Or maybe if I make my auto coding app in time, it can do it for you. It might be a while. I don't know, we're making progress here. How long has it been? Almost an hour. Damn. Alright. Execute task. Send execute message. No. Where was that? I know I can check here. Here, autonomous agent. Execute task. Execute task. Here. Oh, so it's called from the loop. Run this dot execute task. Okay. Privacy hacks asks, hey, how performant would you say is Alpaca compared to GPT-4? I only tested the small Alpaca and it's very different. GPT-4 is much smarter. I haven't tested like the 13 billion one or... Yo, I'm getting heaps of roses from Kelly. Tommy on Kelly. Thanks so much, dude. That's how many roses? 2, 4. I just found that this like kangaroo I got sent yesterday by this news guy, it was worth like $2. That's a lot. Shouts out that news guy on last night's stream. Okay. Where was that execute task here? So I need some I'm not gonna execute task. I need some way to tell whether it's code or not. Yo, paper crane. I don't know how much that one's worth, but I reckon it's a lot. I don't think I've got that one before either. Wonder how much that one's worth. I don't really know. There's so many different things you can send. That not work? Okay, here we go. I'm gonna try scrape my website for my phone number. Just to see the format of the task that I'm gonna get. The code that it wants me to run. Added task 012. What? That's terrible. What was my goal? I swear like I messed something up real bad probably. That shouldn't happen. Here. You're an autonomous software engineering AI with the following goal objective. Goal, provide only one batch command to be inputted into a Windows terminal. The way I can see the request. Is that what was actually sent? Look like it. We're just gonna log it. What's it called? Goal. Start goal prompt. Printing out goal. What you saying? AJI. Michael, thanks for the follow. Appreciate you. Add a task console log hello world. Damn, why is it so dumb now? Is it because I'm using a 3.5 or something? I think it does use 3.5 by default. Hey, give me 1 sec while I check the settings. I should print the model as well. Current task. I didn't get the print of the goal task. Why is that? Start goal. Maybe they never run start goal agent. Does this not run? Ooh. What's this? Who did this? Me or them? A sim. Okay, that's fine. Bit confused, but I guess. I'm gonna stash this change and can I stash one file? Yes, you can. I'm gonna stash this prompt change. Start prompt change. I hope it lets me stash it. I have an issue with Git when I'm using this. Nope. Okay, sweet. And we'll just like, oh, actually maybe I needed to just, okay, now I'm gonna re-add the stash and just rerun the whole thing, just in case that's like what I needed to do. Oh, here it's, oh no, this is the reason, because it's the server. It actually prints in this terminal, not the browser. So it was working all along. Silly me. It's okay, we figured that out now. Didn't spend too long on it. Let's try that again, question mark. Here we go, write a JS file. Scrapes, oh. That's not my goal. Well, it's my inputted goal, but it's not my prompt that I want. So, okay, that's not actually what I'm printing out anyway, so that's fine. Start goal prompt. How do you close this? Oh, okay. Try again. What? Prompt template. Okay, apparently web scraping is illegal if it's without the, well, it's often illegal and unethical. Well, it's my website, so why does the prompt look like this? I think I printed it out wrong. Start goal prompt. Maybe that's the format it's supposed to be in. Gonna have to go look at LLM docs again. Oh, I already have it here. Sorry, lanchain docs. Yo, Joey, welcome to the chat. 433, welcome. I wonder how that video I posted is doing. Might have a look. Where is the actual docs? Prompts, chains, prompts, prompt templates. Is that it? Oh shit, it's got 6,000 views. That's pretty nice. In an hour. Sweet. Aaron Sandine, welcome. How's that for you guys? There are langchain docs for AS. For the JavaScript documentation, see here. What the hell is this? What is this? Here. Is this it? Oh, this is kind of it. Memory LLM chain, new LLM chain. Provider. Docs. Tommy says, why don't you read, mate? Crying face. What do you want me to read, Tommy? The docs? That's what I'm trying. Thanks for the roses. I appreciate it. Look at, shouts out Tommy. All the gifts. Everyone knows reading docs is the most annoying part of programming. For me, at least, no. It is for me, reading and writing docs. But when you find what you want in the docs, it's like, yeah, it was all worth it. LLM chain run topic. What I expect is something like this. I should have just been looking at the code. Format the prompt given. This is the prompt template. Okay, so it has to be like this. Okay. That's fine. Format instructions, input variables, goal. Format instructions. The output should be a markdown code snippet formatted in the following schema. What? Is that something that's coded in here? I just noticed that. Markdown. Where does that come from? Oh, this is the wrong file. Markdown. I could probably close that other one. Nope. Where does that come from? I'm gonna Google this. Format instructions. Tommy says, I'd love to have you look at my GitHub. Consider that some projects are a work in progress. Yeah, for sure, Tommy. What's your GitHub? I can just Google you. Tommy on Kelly. Will they come up? Oh, this looks like them. Damn, there's a monkey. I couldn't really see what your picture was. Let's go, Tommy from Italy. Ethical hacker. Is this your GitHub? No, it's your Telegram. Where's your GitHub, Tommy? I guess I could just type GitHub. Doesn't look like any of these. You sent your GitHub here? Where? I can't see it. Where's here? Here we go. Parzival hack. Parzival hack. Let's check out Tommy's GitHub. Nice. This already looks nice. You actually have like a README for yourself. I do not. I don't even have a picture. Let's compare your GitHub and mine. You have a bio, everything. I don't have anything. I just have this. What's this? Arctic Code Vault contributor. Yeah, whatever. I don't know. I don't really care about that, but I'll have a look at yours. I'm not really one to... Oh, this is sick. You just have your languages like this. That's really cool. And your certs. Nice. And these projects you've made? Yeah, it is nice. 10 projects. Damn, 20 stars. Tool for huge database of hack CCTV cameras. Sorted by country. That's pretty cool. Is it live or do you have to download it? Oh yeah, git clone and run it. It's a Python script. It's just one Python file. This is the type of shit that my software could make. Nice. You got the what's this called? ASCII art. I like that. And then what's that, printing all the countries with the code or something? That's it? Where's all the... Oh, you just use inscam by country. Dude, I want to look at some inscam by countries. What country should we do? Is there Bulgaria? Somewhere where I want to go soon. Sick, there is Bulgaria. You just type Bulgaria like this. Damn it. Most popular. Oh shit, Russia. Italy. Dude. Tango Paola. This is hectic. Inscam, okay. Tommy says if you go directly in my repos, you can see interesting stuff. How do we go directly in? Directly. Oh, here. Repositories. Bro, it's literally the mini version of Metasploit. I don't know what Metasploit is. Open source for testing and exploiting code. Yeah, this guy's a true hacker. Nice. Any particular ones you want me to look at? Or should I get back to LangChain? I'll leave this open for a bit if you say something. How long have we been streaming for? I feel like I should take a little break to stretch. It's been hour 15. Yeah, I might take a break. I feel like I'm losing some momentum. I'll come back in like 2 minutes. And let's see what I have to do. So let's get the output right. I was trying to figure out where this format instructions came from. But yeah, I couldn't find that anywhere in the code or online. So I'm not too sure. I might like leave a video on for you guys while I go. Let's see. Ollie, yo, what's up? Thanks for the comment on my YouTube video. I might just put that on. Thanks for the subscribe, Shazam. Yo, if you guys can subscribe to my YouTube, it'd be much appreciated. I don't have many subscribers on here. 187. Haven't even hit 200 yet. I'm not leaving forever, Ollie, this time. I'm just taking like a 2-minute break. Or a 3-minute, 8-second break. I'll just put this video on while I go.
Alright,
thank you.
hello everyone, I'm AJ, this is my channel, Tech Friend. I'll hopefully be posting a bunch of vlogs. This is the first one in 5 years. I used to vlog when I was living in China, but now I'm back in Canberra, Australia. Beautiful day today, got the fountain up. A little bit about myself, I'm professionally a software engineer. I've always been interested in technology, so that's what the main focus of this channel is. That's why it's called Tech Friend. Also, other stuff with my life like traveling. So I'm in Melbourne right now. Yo, we just got to Melbourne. Very hot today, it's like 38 degrees. I just got a neuron. Instead of taking an Uber straight to the hotel, so we saved about like $10-12 and it'll be more fun.
Said I got too much pride to be living in Zion. Too much pride to be living in Zion. Too much pride to...
I'm gonna go check into the hotel now. It's pretty close, it's like a 2-minute walk, so I'll see you soon. So this is my work from hotel setup. I have just my laptop on this neck stand here. This is the cool thing here, on this gooseneck here, which holds onto the side of the desk, so I kind of have a second monitor if I want. It's kind of playing up at the moment, that's why it's off. And yeah, so this all fits in this one bag here. Cabin Zero. I think it's like 42-liter bag. Right now, my mission for today is to get this skateboard that I saw on Marketplace. It's only $20, super cheap. And I also need to buy some shoes to be able to skate with. I would love to skate around Melbourne. I went to this skate shop called Fast Time Skateboarding on Swanston Street in the city in Melbourne. The staff was super friendly and I got these high top shoes. So that skateboard I wanted to get turned out to be too small for me, so now we're getting a different one here. I messaged many other people to try hustle another one, bartered some prices down, and here we are. There we have it, some brand called 4 Speed Demon Trucks, James Craig. And I ran into the homie Arik. We had some Asian buffet. Damn, Arik.
Hey, what up, dog?
What up, what up?
We at the spot.
We at the spot? We got the meats. So many meats. Damn. Shit.
Too much pride, too much pride, too much pride, too much. Shit, I got too much pride to be living in Zion. Too much pride to be living in Zion. Too much pride to be living. Everything is just a given and we gonna just die. Shit, I got too much pride to be living in Zion. Too much pride to be living in Zion. Too much pride to be living. Everything is just a given and we gonna just die. Shit, I got too much pride to be living in Zion. Too much pride to be living in Zion.
Yo, shit, I don't know how long that's been finished for, but I just started making some tea, so I need more time. Apologies. We'll play some of the old Paradox begins. Forgot to reset. The kettle is just boiled. I'll be quick. It's nicer looking. Boom. And okay. Deploy. Let's see. Standard out blank. That's fine. That was from the echo. Now when it does Node.js, standard out blank. What? Why is it blank? Did it actually create the file? Let's see. Hello.js. Yep, the file is here. Oh, it's console.log in quotes. Ah. Okay, it should be able to debug that. My question is, why did Node return blank? Shouldn't it return an error? Node. What was it? Hello.js. Oh, it's blank. So apparently if you run a Node file with just some text in it, it doesn't return anything? What if I changed the Hello.js to be like some random text? I guess, yeah, I mean, I guess that makes sense. I mean, you can write text in Node and it's not technically an error. If this wasn't in quotes, though, it probably would be an error. Let's see. Edit. Remove the quotes. Space, X space, Node.js. Yeah. Okay. That's an interesting thing. Bunga Bunga says, how hard is it to set up? Not very hard at all, especially if you know how to do Node stuff. Super easy, I think. If you just want AgentGPT, you can just run it online. Just go to agentgpt.reworked.ai. But if you want to run my one, you'll have to go to aj47/AJI on GitHub and look at the AJI branch. I haven't pushed my most recent changes yet, but probably by the end of tonight I will. And you could probably just run it. I will probably have to add a README and such, but we'll get there. Baby steps. Baby steps. All right. So what happens after we get the empty response? Everything's running as expected, so there's no real issues at the moment. I guess the biggest issue is it's putting echo in quotes. So I'm just going to run it again and see, because this is a good test as well. It should be able to self-debug if there's an issue like this. I know that there's no meaningful error, but sometimes no meaningful error is still like indication of what's wrong. And I don't know if ChatGPT is smart enough to figure that out, but we'll try reverse engineer and debug it to see what's going on. Yo, haha, no, that was fake me. This is real me. Yeah. Ollie, I hope you're still here. Sorry I left. Also went to the bathroom and yeah, got my tea, got my bathroom in, and I'm back ready to tackle this. Okay, where was I? This is very cool. The output should be a markdown code snippet formatted in the following schema. I wish I knew where that came from. Ed Wall asks, what is this matrix? Oh man, how do I find this docs? Is there a search? Is this even the right one? I love it when docs have search. This one doesn't seem to have search. Ollie says he's pretty skeptical of the AI writing code. Normally it's kind of trash. But I hate writing unit tests, and GPT is really good for that. Yeah, that's true, the unit testing. For writing unit tests or integration tests for like server code, it just spews out the most useless tests. Right. I've like had some pretty good experience with like getting ChatGPT to write the right code for me. It obviously didn't get it in the first try, but like it's good. It's kind of good at debugging as well. Sometimes, I guess not in complex situations, but in non-complex ones. Format instructions. This is prompt table. That's not even the. Oh, here. Oh, the wrong thing. It does have a search. Format instructions. Or is that just search on the page? Probably. Start guide. Use cases. Glossary? No. Yeah, it's TypeScript and JavaScript is funny. It always uses var as well, I found. But if you ask it to do it in like the most like best kind of way, like best standards or best practices, sorry, that's what I was looking for. It can do that as well. You just have to prompt it right. Okay, chains. Reference. Surely there's something in here. No. Isn't. Prompts. Prompt templates. Not really. Wait. So this is the initial goal is working as a prompt template. And that has this thing called format instructions. Let's look at their prompt. Okay, so I'm pretty sure it's in prompt template. What's chat prompt template? We'll just go getting started. What is a prompt template? Oh, my tea is still too hot. Prompt template refers to a reproducible way to generate a prompt. It contains a string, the template, that can take a set of parameters from the end user and generate a prompt. The prompt template may contain instructions, a set of few-shot examples, and a question. Okay. Okay, that's cool. That's probably a better prompt than we have. You are an autonomous agent with the following objective. Okay, I want to see if I can find this format instructions and then we'll worry about changing the prompt. Got a message from Mr. Tiff, Mr. T. Good day, love your TikToks. Awesome, thank you so much, Mr. T. Appreciate you. Okay, what am I looking for? Format instructions. Format. Here. That's not really it. Format underscore, no. Damn. does this come from? It would come from the JS thing. What am I using? npm langchain. Langchain, not lanchain. Zane Star, son. Okay. Format. No. Alright, that's it. I'm going into the node modules, the forbidden land. Never change any code here. What are you doing? It'll just get updated when you do the npm install. But I have to know how this template is initialized. I just have to. Yo, Juicy Delicious on Twitch, what's up? Damn it, I can't find it. Mr. T says, I'm doing the same, reverse engineering you are right now. Really? Like the same project as well, or like the same thing? Trying to find how this thing exists in the docs and in my code base, and it's like, who is telling the prompt to format this in markdown code? I cannot find out. I just cannot. Juicy says, where do you stream? Where else do you stream? YouTube? Yeah, YouTube and TikTok. I actually get like most of the chat through TikTok, which is awesome. Like TikTok's done really well for me. Yeah. Shouts out TikTok. But yeah, I also have Twitch and YouTube for the TikTok people, if you didn't know. And one good thing about YouTube and Twitch is, well, more so YouTube, is it saves all my last lives. So if you want to see my previous lives, they're all on my channel at TechFriend on YouTube. Please subscribe. I'm so close to 200. Not really. 13 more. But yeah, if you go in this live tab, all my previous streams are there. They're not the most like interesting to watch, maybe. I don't know, actually some people said they loved it, so if you like it, you like it. Format instructions. Oh shit. How am I so blind? It was right there all along. Okay. I actually did look at this before, so it uses this like Z schema thing. Where is it? And it was in here, yeah. Get format structure. So let's hard code one here. I'm gonna look at the docs just for one more time, make sure that. Oh, they have it here. What? Why am I tripping? I swear I was searching the wrong thing before or something. Oh no, this isn't the docs that I was looking at. This was the docs, and yeah, it doesn't exist in that. Juicy Delicious says, why do you hack it? Why do I hack what? AgentGPT? I wanted to run code. It wasn't running code before. Mr. T says they're also making their own AgentGPT, but trained on more of a concept of helping a child learn. Aww. So nice and wholesome. Nice. Good stuff, Mr. T. Do you have videos on it as well, or are you just doing it in stealth? Ooh. I want to drink this tea, but it's too hot. How am I? Yeah, audio. Check. I think it's alright. Check, 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 check. Check. Okay. I just made myself louder so I can get a sense of the volume. I'm going to just write my own format instructions in plain text. The one we have isn't bad. Output should be markdown code snippet formatted in the following schema. I want to see if I can see any more example prompt templates online. How do they prompt template? Prompt template. I'm gonna remove the prompt template. See if that changes anything. I feel like I'm going too far down this rabbit hole, and we need to just get back on the road again, testing out the actual tool. Where is it? Oh man, I've opened up so much stuff. Oh, I got an error now. Invalid prompt schema. Uh-oh. Oh. There we go. Surely. No, wait, what? Do you need partial do you need? Hold on, what if I just comment this one? Still. Did I change something else? Nope, that's it. Damn. Alright, we're gonna leave that format instructions. Surprisingly, it's kind of what I want. Did I? Alright. Let's do the classic example. Write a JS file that prints hello world. A message from Cybersecurity. Do we need GPT-4 API? I have Plus, but 4 didn't work for me. I applied for the API, but response. Plus only gives you access to the website. GPT-4 API is still closed to non-developers. Okay. Let's see. What do we get here? We got echo console log. We got these two things in a JSON array. For completion. Wait, completion? Oh, this is because of the format instructions, dude. This JSON array thing. Cause look at this JSON array. Damn it, AgentGPT. How do you do this? Where does this come from? Raphael said, I use AutoGPT, but it has problems creating new files. Yeah, I don't think it can out of the box. That's what I'm trying to get it to do. Raphael. We've got Yo from Shazam on YouTube. Yo, Shazam. I noticed you just subscribed to me. Thank you so much. Okay. I need to find out how to make another format instructions. How about if I say what if I just send a blank string? Then what? Then what are you gonna do? Shazam says, I like your stuff, man. Thank you so much, Shazam. I appreciate you. Okay. Oh shit, we got something completely different, and now AgentGPT doesn't know how to render it, but that's fine. I can worry about that later. What? Provide a list of batch commands. No, that was the old prompt. Oh, I didn't update the prompt. Where's the new prompt? You are provide only one batch command. Yes, that's it. That is it. Okay, we're actually finally making some progress, I feel. Okay. This time it surely does good. Write a JS file to print hello world. And let's look at this. Shazam asks, am I using Vim bindings? Yes, I am. I love Vim. Okay, what is the new? Yes, node path to your file. Replace path to your file. Oh, okay. Batch command will be similar to. Oh, I accidentally copied all that apricot. Oh my god. I need to have goal in here. Like that. Okay. Try number 4. Is there a way to clear this? I don't think so. There is a way to go full screen, which is nice. Okay. Completion. Echo. Perfect. So this is gonna have that issue again, but that's fine. And there's error could not extract array from. That's fine also, because I'm gonna change that code. I might as well change that code now. So because I changed the format of the response, it's not being able to extract it. So what we're gonna do here is, this will be an easy fix, is we'll just give the input a string as what it should render. Like this. Return string input string. Boom. Boom. What are you gonna say now? Extract array. Got some more messages on TikTok. Let's see if someone said interesting stuff. Looks like Mr. T's handling it. Thanks, Mr. T. I appreciate your comments and responses. Okay. Okay. What am I gonna do now? I'm just gonna run it again. Will it work? I think so. Yep. Excellent. Yay. Excellent. Okay, stop. No, this is good. I'm gonna push this to my branch because that's progress. That's legitimate progress. Change prompt. Whoa, why is this so weird? Commit. Oh, please let me commit. No. This thing doesn't let me commit with this node version. It's so annoying. 16. Nope, not 16. I don't know, we'll just keep trying. It's one of these recent ones. 14. Well, that looks like it's working. Yes. Okay, and what else did we change? this response. I haven't tested that yet. Oh, yes, I have. Okay, this is good. And I'm gonna discard this, yeah. We'll keep that. Nothing changed there. Okay. Now I needed to send the response. After it executes. Where was that? Main.js? No. Oh boy, where was that? That was in... Maybe it was change.js. Nope, no, it wasn't that file. It was... Autonomous agents, that's the one. I'm gonna close all the files. Autonomous agent. Right here. Res, response from command. Res.data. .response. Okay. This is looking good. Is it the same format? Let's have a look. I have a feeling it isn't here. Am I running this again? Nope. Cyber says they're working on a recursive coding program that debugs automatically. That's literally what I'm doing. What? How are you doing it? Cyber punk fui. Shazam asks, what exactly is this program doing? It's going to write code and debug code, hopefully. Where are the commands printed? Nowhere. Response from command, that's what I'm looking for. Oh, here. Here we go. Data dot response. Res dot data. Yeah. No, it's just res dot data. So I'm gonna return res dot data here. And they're not happy with that. Oh no. Oh no, what did I press? Back, undo. Okay, what's the issue here? Return of any type. What is this expecting? String. Oh, you can do as string. This is the thing Ollie was complaining about with TypeScript. Well, like the way apparently the as thing is not a good way to do it, which makes sense. It should be defined somewhere else. I don't know where this actually goes. I should look that up. Execute task. What? Oh, here. Result, and then the result gets given to get additional task. Yes, sweet. Whoa, it's done something. Executing that std out blank, and then a new task. No, the new task has that format stuff. Execute the JS file to print hello world. Oh yeah, excellent. Okay, no, this is good. This is good. We just need to change the prompt for the execute task because it's different to the starting task. And I just haven't touched that prompt yet. Okay, bless you. Thanks, Mr. T. I sneezed before as well. I don't know, they just catch me off guard and then suddenly, kabam, I gotta sneeze. Format instructions here. Okay. So what was my format instructions? Just blank. It is now blank here as well. And we are changing this prompt once I figure out what it does. We don't need the prompt. We just literally give it, oh, we need to find out which one it is. Create task prompt. This is gonna be sick. Shazam says, would you ever consider moving to Linux or doing your development in a Linux virtual machine? Yeah, for sure. I think that would be the ideal way I'd be doing things if I had a dedicated programming machine. Either that or Mac. I find the Unix system is great. I don't really like Windows for programming. But this machine that I set up initially for gaming is like the best spec'd and like the best for streaming, and I have the best monitor and stuff for it, so that's why. And I don't think it makes a huge difference at the end of the day. Okay, yep, I'm trying to figure out where this is called. Because I want to know tasks, task, result. I don't want all of that shit. I just want it to do didn't get addition. I just want it to do like just give it the STD out. That's it. GPT-4 is smart enough to figure the rest out. Get additional task, current task, result. Okay. Create agent. Yep, that's exactly what it called. And current task is the current task. Okay. That's fine. Oh, and result is result. Okay, so we need result in here. Result. New LLM chain. Wait, they don't even use that. Oh, prompt create task prompt. Okay. The terminal responds with result. What if we just have result, dude? Let's just do that. That's all I want. Let's not complicate things. That's it. Did I remove all these? Yeah, might as well. Okay. We're gonna try this again. Do I need to rerun anything else? I don't think so. Let's bring this big, and we want to write a JS file that prints hello world. This is the moment of truth. I want to see if it will debug this time. Mr. T says set up and run WSL2, which I think is the subsystem for Linux on Windows, and run this command. Linux on Windows, no restrictions apart from TTYL. Mr. T says they'll link me their Python agent. Runs on Android with Tasker and a Samsung watch. What? Yeah, link me. That sounds cool. The agent records tasks in Asana and then attempts to complete them itself. That's pretty cool. Okay, so here, we're gonna do this. This is a moment of truth. How big is this for you guys? It's big enough. You guys can definitely see that. Let's go. Deploy. Should I clear this? No, it's fine. It's fine. We can all see. Oh, I'm scared. No, I'm gonna do it. What could possibly go wrong? Let's go. Okay. Added task, echo console log. Executing echo console log. Thinking. Standard out stands for standard output. Oh, it's a completely new prompt? Wait. Why? Oh, it's a new agent. What? Mr. T says I'm creating Skynet. Don't do it. Someone's gonna do it. If it ain't me, it'll be someone else. Damn. Why does it create a new agent? That's annoying. I don't want that. I don't want that. I don't want create agent. So when it first starts with the goal, it's not using create agent, it's actually using, let's stretch my neck back here. What's it using first? Current task. Whoa. That. Hold on. Does it print current task? No. We never get into that. Yo, thanks for the follow, Thinkal FX Markets Limited. Appreciate you. It never gets here. Oh, before loop there's run. Okay, there's run. Get initial tasks. Okay. Get, what is that? What is get initial tasks? Start agent. Start goal agent. Okay, hold on. Let's put this to the side here. Thinkal FX Markets asks, where can I learn computer science online? Google and YouTube and ChatGPT can even teach you. It's all over the internet. You just gotta search for it. Matthew, hi. Hey, thanks for saying hi. You're the second person that said hi, specifically hi, because that's like something I ask people to do. Oh, Mikoyan has also followed me. I missed that, but thank you, Mikoyan. Mustavoy, welcome. Okay, so now I'm trying to do retro. Thanks for the like. I'm trying to have this start agent be the same as create agent. Yeah. No, sorry. Instead of start agent. I want it to use the same one. Like, why does it have to start two agents separately? What was the, hold on. The task, the prompt must have been like, we just got this prompt. The last task was this and now this happened. What do you suggest we do next? Kind of thing. Let me read that prompt again. This was their prompt. You are an AI task creation agent. You have the following objective. You have the following incomplete tasks and you just executed the following task. Based on this, create a new task. Only if such that your goal is more closely reached. Wait a second. Is there another way they do memory on this? I'm gonna require a lot of understanding. Message from Nahid. Just started playing around with AgentGPT this weekend. Good luck, sir. We'll tune in again on your next live. Thanks for dropping in, Nahid. I appreciate you, man. I'm Bruce SA. Welcome. Okay. So, create agent, they return Hold on. They use create model. Start agent. They don't. They just go extract array. What do they do with the completion model? Nothing. Okay, so every command is new. Every prompt is new. That is not what I want. We should keep the LLM chain, in my opinion. They do with the create execute agent. They do it here. Yeah, they do it here as well. Need that. Here. Completion. Yeah, this is where we just were. Return extract array completion.text. I'm gonna see if you can prompt. There's two ways I could do this now. Is I look at how to keep the conversation going with the model that we started, which I thought would be the way to do this, because that way wouldn't it have memory on the previous messages? Like you go to all this effort to say you're this type of AI and do this, and then you do that every message? This like makes it a whole lot complex. I didn't expect AgentGPT to be set up like this. But I think it's something that we can tackle. I think I'm gonna initially do it just by the prompt way that they've done it. Just because that seems like the easiest way to get kind of something working. And I'd rather get something working right now than investigate and read the docs for another hour or two. So where is this? If this LLM chain predict chain prompt, can you keep prompting an LLM chain? Maybe not. I feel like I need to learn more about lanchain to really understand how this works. Okay, so we're gonna copy this pretty much. Your whatever. Let me make a new file so I can read it better. You are an AI task creation agent. No, not what it is. Execute task. Create task. What? There's a different one? Oh man, no, actually this doesn't ever get called because I've hijacked this whole method with my API call. That's right. So comment that out just so it doesn't confuse me again. And okay, this is the one I wrote. You are a... No, it's not. This isn't the one I wrote either. Oh man, where is the one I wrote? Oh, it's not even in this. What? It would be create task. Oh shit. No, did I push that? Hope not. I think I might have. No, here. You're a task creation agent. Oh, okay, no. It's in a different... The start prompt, software engineer here. Oh no, same file. Start goal prompt was the name, and it goes something like, you are an autonomous software engineering AI with the following objective: provide only one batch command to be inputted to a Windows terminal. Okay, we can change that to with the following objective. You have run the... It doesn't have previous tasks. And where was that? Is this it? Yeah. Okay, so we got goal, tasks, last task, and result. Oh, okay, that's all we need. Last task and result. You have just run last task. How is that? You have just run. Have just run. Oh shit. Oh shit. Okay. Last task, yes. It is like that. Last task. Provide only one which resulted in result. Provide only one batch command to be inputted into the Windows terminal such that you get closer to or finish your goal. Okay, that sounds pretty good to me. Let's copy that in here. And that did not copy nice. Or did it? I think it did. Okay, should we try that? Yeah, I think we should try that. We got some messages on TikTok. Mikoyan installed locally cloning repo, but start agent just keeps loading on click. Can you not use the free API? And on their website, I think maybe locally you need to use your own API. Robert Buttery, thanks for the follow. Appreciate it. Yuchen Wogu, what's up? What's up, what's up? Alright. Let's try this out. Open up this terminal here so we can see. Write a JS file that prints hello world. Okay, add a task echo console log to hello world. Okay, nice. Oh, as an AI model, they can't correct. No, but I said you're a software engineering. Maybe I shouldn't say AI. I don't do the second execute either, so that's something I need to program. Okay, let's change two things here. I'm just gonna say you are a software engineer with the following adjective. Okay. Think. Execute task. I specifically wanted it to format instruction. Oh, we don't need format instructions. I just realized. Let's realize what this does. It just adds to the prompt. Could have just wrote that normally. I'm gonna do software engineer. You are a software engineer. It's literally, it feels like I'm cloning myself. My brain. Robert Buttery, I've been getting served your content like mad. I'm fully obsessed with this stuff. Awesome. Yeah, dude, the TikTok algorithm is in my favor these days. Shouts out TikTok algorithm. Well, I guess that might mean a lot of people are interested in like ChatGPT and stuff as well. What's my background? You mean like ethnicity wise? I'm like Persian Iranian. Professionally, I'm like, I guess more of a web developer, but I'd say I'm quite general. I think you read in tech. Okay, yeah, I completely misread that. My bad. But yeah, professionally, I guess like first way I got into coding and stuff, and technology, like, well, coding actually was through Flash games and like game dev. And then I just like saw all the different things you can do with technology and got really into it. This dude answered like an American. Is that how Americans answer? No further command is needed as the previous command has already created the JavaScript. That's technically true, hey. That would actually work as well. So maybe I should add at the end of the goal, at the end of the create task prompt to be like, make sure to run all untested code to ensure they work. Would that make it actually run it this time? Because I wanted to make sure it works. Robert Buttery says, have you heard of lanchain? That's literally what I'm using. The lanchain API, but like for JavaScript. See? Langchain, LLM chain from Langchain prompts, OpenAI from Langchain, the Langchain NPM package. Where's the AJI? Here we go. Nice, it added the task node hello.js. Excellent. Now we need to intercept the, what is it called? The doubts. No, the tasks. We need to execute the tasks. We can do that in where result. Where do we get result? Result here. Execute task. Send execution message. Think here. Where is the other place that I called Axios? John Power asks, how much is 3.5 costing you during dev? I don't know if I'm using 3.5 or 4, but let's have a look at my usage again. This is my usage today. 1 cent. It's like really cheap. I'm like barely doing any calls. I'm doing like 2 calls every 10 minutes or something. With not many tokens. I think it's charged by tokens as well. CSI, thanks for the follow. Let's go. Tech friends. Jan says, can you pay with BTC? I don't think so. They use Stripe. Does Stripe accept BTC? They had some weird hack with their payments as well previously. Here, execute task. Execute task. Oh shit, what? So it should execute the task. What's my server saying? Does the server execute the task? No, it is not recognized. Oh, sweet. Excellent. So that's an issue because we have an installed node. Well, we have, but if that does come up, then AJI should be able to handle that. That should be part of its capabilities. Tom White says, haha, I tried to get the local AgentGPT to work today. Awesome. Everyone's getting into it. Okay. So why does it get stuck? I don't know. Is there an error here? Completion, echo that. And it stops. I don't know why. Let's just try it one more time. I feel like I commented something out. And I'm like, why doesn't this work? Because I commented it out. Okay. That part works. Oh. No bueno. No bueno. Can I print out every time it tries to do a prompt as well? It should be in chain TS. Template. Start goal prompt. We have that, right? Oh, that's goal prompt. Oh, yeah. Start goal prompt. And we also want this one, which is task prompt. I only want the... Which part do I want? The template? Guess I only want the template. I don't really care for the other stuff. Okay. Now it should log every time it does a task. What are these TikTok messages? When the jailbroken of AgentGPT going to be local? Llama for all. That can be done pretty... Oh, actually, no, that might take a little while. Someone can do that. I could do that. It might be when the next thing I do. Someone says there's Vicuña Llama, which is pretty good at C++, so CPU only. I think you can get Vicuña on GPU as well. You don't have to run it with Llama CPP. Yes, what's up? Okay. Start goal prompt, task prompt. You are following objective, which you just oh man, did that? Kind of want to know that this is being provided correctly. Provide only one batch command to be inputted. Oh, okay, I'm going to try to change this prompt. I want it to only respond with the batch command. I've got to make that more clear. Robert says Llama 13B is nice, but it needs a big GPU. Says, yeah, I was thinking of building a computer from scratch specifically for Llama. Oh, Vicuña Llama. Oh no, Llama 13. John says you can run the quantized version on an 8GB GPU. Like 8-bit one. Cool. Okay. Okay, this. Oh, damn it! As soon as I got to where I wanted. Batch. Here. Provide only watch command to be inputted such that you get to. Should I remove? I'm going to remove that make. You're a software engineer with the following goal. You have just run last task, which resulted in result. if the code is tested and working, respond with done. Done. Otherwise, provide just one. I like only. Only one batch command to be run in a Windows terminal. Such that your goal is closer. Or it's completed. We don't. Yeah, okay, we'll leave that. Let's give that a go. Yo, Chris. I'm doing good. It's actually nighttime here in Australia, but good morning to you, Chris. And Tom. And John. Thanks for commenting, guys. I'm just going to take my jumper off. I'm getting a bit hot. Oh, I didn't realize I was wearing this shirt. I forgot. Take that off too. Tom's in Australia too. Let's go. Aussie, Aussie, Aussie. Oi, oi, oi. Let's go, Aussie AI devs. Or just Aussie devs in general. Alright. Oh man. Tom's non-technical. Oh shit, nice. That's okay, but like you seem interested in tech. I think that makes you technical. Is it? I don't know. I thought so. Oh, John's in Australia too. Let's go. All the Aussies. Okay, this task response is not nice. I want to know what model actually that we're running. Model last task result. I wonder if last task knows about the first task. Mother ducker. Whoa. Open AI chat. GPT 3.5. I knew it. No. Let's try GPT 4. Where is this? I don't know where we can define this. The model name. Can we just use GPT-4? Oh no, let's look at the docs. Lanchain model name. Open AI model name lanchain. Yes. What's this one? How do they 5 turbo? Where's GPT-4? Oh, here we go. Nice. Oh shit, are these better? think this is fine. GPT-4. Okay, so we've been using GPT 3.5 that whole time. Now we're using GPT-4. Does that work? Someone said you need to be a special developer or something. Oh, right, JS. I meant to say JS file. I don't know if this will work. Seems stuck. Maybe you can't ping GPT-4. Oh man. Or is GPT-4 just really slow? That's also potentially the case. People talking about a Discord in TikTok. Which one are you talking about? My Discord? Not very active. If you guys make it active, I'll give you, I don't know, something. Oh no, different Discord. I don't have a gen chat. Well, all my friends doxed. Boom. Okay, so 3.5 turbo not working so good. I mean 4 not working so good. Maybe we have to use 3.5 turbo. AgentGPT Discord. Yeah, I need to go on that more. Let's have a look. Yo. Dude, my name's Zesty on Discord. I have to pay money to like change it everywhere. Dox my friends, yeah. Well, just their usernames, not even their what are they, Discord ID. So not really. It's all G. Hey, you joined. We've got the whole of Australia tuning in to see me debug this thing. Many issues. What did I do? What did I do? Discard. Okay. So the task prompting. This format instructions thing is like so unnecessary, it seems. Or is it necessary? Should we reinstate it? Let's try it. Let's try format instructions. And how did they write their one? How did they write their one? Who's been here? Oh no, who would be here? Format instructions here. Oh no, it's blank everywhere. Yeah. Oh no, here we go. The output should be a markdown. Blah, blah, blah. Okay. Okay. Okay, where's the task of what? Here. Output should be command snippet formatted. What the formatted? need schema. I bet I'll be like, should be a command snippet runnable in a Windows terminal. And then I'll remove that from here. It should be a single command snippet runnable in a Windows terminal. You get closer to your goal or finish. If the code is, oh my god. The objective goal of that. I'm gonna remove the thing about testing the code. Provide another command such that you get closer to your goal. Okay. Let's try that. We might have to take a different approach. I feel like we're getting colder. Echo console log, nice. Oh, you can run the following command. It does the first one so well. And then it... Oh, I don't have the format thing at the end of my code. Yeah, I do. What? Isn't that... Wait a sec. Isn't that how it was here? Yeah. I'm gonna restart this. Clear. Oh, now we missed the old logs. Oh well. Restarting this. We go like, okay, oh, this makes so much more sense. I need to write the debugging in the code. Write and test a JavaScript file that prints hello world. That would be cool. User145 asked me, what is the best function you found for this? I'm like trying to get it to work for running code, but we keep running into some issues, as you always do with new code. What am I trying to do? Why isn't this running anymore? I just restarted the front end and it used to work a lot better than this. Copy this. Was it something I changed? Oh no, seems to be working again. I mean, it gives me a whole sentence. So it's like the format instructions aren't working. Yeah, it's not even there at the end of the prompt, but it is here. What? For a software engineer with the following objective you have just run. resulted in, and format instructions. Get closer to or finish your goal. Oh, okay. Oh no, it's here. Format instructions. And maybe format instructions. Execute task. Oh, it's not there. Oh man, that looks... Wait, how can it not be there? I literally hand wrote it myself. Here. It is here. It's confusing. I didn't think we'd get into this problem today. Yo, Vlad and Abood, thanks for the follows. I got some message. When the programmer starts playing with its hair, that's when you know shit's getting real. I play with my hair a lot. Are you getting an error code? No, I'm not getting an error code. The issue I'm having is it's not responding in the way that I want it to. It's giving me a full sentence where I'm trying to like configure this so it only speaks in batch commands. User asks, when you use this, will it remember previous conversations? That's what I thought originally, because doesn't that come out of the box with ChatGPT? But like the more I look into it, it looks like this particular AgentGPT doesn't remember. But AutoGPT does, says Abood. John asks if I can force it with prompt engineering. Yeah, that's what I'm pretty much trying to do right now. It'll definitely be able to remember the conversation in the future. Oh, man. I need to just copy this somewhere. Okay. Let me think. Let me just test ChatGPT with the... I wish I could print out the whole command without the variables. I have no idea why that's not possible. So annoying. So very annoying. Wait, let's see what other like functions I can chain off this LLM chain. Symbol catch finally. I'm gonna go have a look at their docs real quick, the npm lanchain docs. npm lanchain docs. Chain. Oh my god, this is the JS docs. Dude, I'm gonna paste this here so I have them all the time ready to be accessed. Template, what's a good name of a company? Dude, I need to read this. We're reading the LangChain docs. I finally... Oh, I should have looked from the start, but there's JS specific LangChain docs that have a search. Oh my god, this is the best docs ever. Why are JS devs the best? Template? No, sorry, format. Whoa, their search is a chatbot. Format. What am I looking for things on? Format instructions. In docs on... Oh my god. Format instructions. No provided docs on format instructions. Okay, that's fine. Let's just read this prompt template. Prompt template allows you to make... Do they have a dark mode? Yes. Dude, this is some good docs. Dark mode, search, which is a chat bot. That's some good shit. Allows you to make use of templating to generate a prompt. Prompt templates for both LLMs and chat models. Wait, what? Oh, so instead of using LLM chain, we can use chat model chain? Their interface is chat messages instead of text in, text out. Okay, that's a possible thing we can try, but I think I'm going to avoid that because I feel like it'll take too much time. Oh, that's a great idea, John. John has said, ask ChatGPT 4 to come up with a prompt personality to only respond in code and commands. That's such a good idea. What happened with their doc chat? What? Ask Abood? Not sure which one you're referring to, but I'm gonna try John Power's idea here. Write a prompt I can feed GPT 3.5. Let's just say ChatGPT such that it only responds with Windows batch commands to complete a goal. That wasn't very helpful. Let me read these prompt template docs a bit more. Put variables. These guys don't use format description. I feel like this thing here. Let's look for partial variables instead. I feel format instructions might be like a specific thing that is only used by AgentGPT. Wait, what am I searching? Partial variable. Partial. Nothing on partial variables. Partial variables. Nothing on that either. Wow. Partial values. Like other methods, it can make sense to partial a prompt template, e.g. pass in a subset of the required values as to create a new prompt template which expects only the remaining subset. What? I don't think I even understood what I just read. Let's get ChatGPT to explain this. Explain this in simple bullet points. I feel like that's a good prompt. Pass in a subset of required values. Create new prompt template with remaining values. Partial formatting with string, partial formatting. Turning string values. So it's for formatting. Okay. Okay, I mean, let's ditch this. Let's ditch this. And we will... Okay, no, we're gonna have to get conversational. I thought lanchain was conversational. Kind of just blows everything. Makes me confused. Let's look at their getting started. I feel like there's a lot about lanchain I need to learn. Oh, their getting started isn't even a link, it's just text. Set up an installation. Quick start using LLMs. Start using chat models. Let's compare. I don't know if I can read two at once. That's probably not a good idea. Chat models are a variation on language models. While chat models use language models under the hood, the interface is different. Is that the only thing? Alright, let's just look at LLMs because that's the one we're using. LLMs. Open API key, new open API. Once we have initialized, we can call it some input. Res equals model.call. Template. Prompt.format. What? Oh man, reading. New Snore, nice, dude. New Snore, my top donator from last stream. Appreciate you, man. We back trying to make this AgentGPT run code and debug code. Well, actually we made it run commands yesterday, but now I'm trying to get it to further debug the commands that it's run, or like files that it's made or whatever. Okay. Just reading the docs on LangChain. So AgentGPT uses a lot of LangChain under the hood to run all its tasks. Run all its prompts through ChatGPT. So yeah. I don't know anything about LangChain. I haven't done anything with it before, so this is my first time trying to learn. I'm just reading the docs. Okay. Prompt templates for LLMs. Dude, I make this bigger, but then this comes and it just ends up being smaller. Annoying. Calling an LLM, I'll put this AgentGPT here. Looks nice. Calling an LLM is a great first step, but it's just the beginning. Normally when you use an LLM in an app, you're not sending user input directly. Instead, you're taking the user input and constructing a prompt. Yep. For example, in the previous example we passed was hard-coded. Passing was hard-coded to ask for a name for a company that made colorful socks. In this imaginary service, what we would want to do is take only the user input describing what the company does and then format the prompt with that information. This is easy to do with lanchain. Newsnor says, everyone's talking about lanchain, it's on a list for me to look at. Yeah, I noticed everyone was talking about it and I didn't really understand it, so I never looked into it. And now I still don't fully understand it, but I am forced to look into it. Okay, what's a good company that makes product? Input variables, product. Yep, this is how to form a prompt. Product, colorful socks. Prompt.format. What's a company? Okay. Chains. Combine LLMs and prompts in a multi-step workflow. Up until now, we've worked with prompt template and LLM primitives by themselves. But of course, a real-world application is not just one primitive, but rather a combination of them. Robert Buttery says you can use as system prompt in the chat model. Do you know much about LangChain, Robert? Like, is there a benefit to use the chat model if I want to have a conversation, or can I have a conversation with the LLM model as well? That's what I'm trying to figure out right now. Because it doesn't seem they're reusing the same agent in this AgentGPT, so I can't remember what I just said. Robert says you can feed the chat model a system prompt which gives it an identity. Okay. But you can't do that with LLMs, is that right? Oh, but you can add memory. Oh no, here we go. We're up to memory. Memory. Oh, here we go. So far, all the chains. Okay, so it seems like we can have memory. Feed the chat system prompt. Look up the OpenAI docs about GPT 4.5. Can, but it's not as simple. Let me see how the memory works in a bit. Like, I'm almost up to it. I feel like I should read this whole thing in order. Let's see what chains are. Up until now, we've worked with prompt template and the primitives, but of course, a real app is not just one primitive, but a combination. A chain in LangChain is made up of links. It can either be primitives like LLMs or other chains. The most core type of chain is a LLM chain. That's what I'm using, which consists of a prompt template and an LLM. Oh, maybe it does have memory because I'm using LLM chain with the same model. Okay. Now you can create a simple chain. Oh, but they're doing chain.call. Colorful socks. Okay. Maybe that. Okay, let's just keep reading until we get to memory. So far, the chains we looked at run in a predetermined order. Robert says memory is vector storage for long-term memory. Oh, is that what it's going to talk about? Like uploading a vectored like data set or something, PDF file. In order to load agents, you should understand. An agent is like a third party thing. Often you might want a chain that have some concept of memory. Yes, okay. The clearest and simple example is this is designing a chatbot. Yep, you want it to remember the messages. Okay. On the complex side, you could imagine a chain agent remembering key pieces of information over time. This would be long-term memory. Sure. LangChain provides several specially created chains for this purpose. The conversation chain. as a simple type of memory and remembers all previous inputs and outputs and adds them to the context. Excellent. So instead of LLM chain, we could use conversation chain. Maybe we should do that. You can also do streaming to get words streamed back. Oh, that's okay, I don't care about that. Okay, this conversation chain looks promising. So instead of LLM chain, we want to use conversation chain. Yeah. Yeah. Okay. How do they initialize it? Easy, just like that. Let's do that. This should be somewhat easy, right? Right. Nothing's easy. Const chain equals new conversation chain. Please include that. Thank you. Let's go let chain equals, I don't know the best way to do this. Someone in the chat I'm sure knows. Let chain equals null. I'm just gonna, how do you make like a global variable in this? In this thing. Sergeant Stateside shared the live. Thank you so much for sharing. Appreciate you guys. Abood says they use Pinecode for long-term memory. Yeah, that's what I've heard. Is it AutoGPT that uses that? I think I had to get an API key for that. Okay. Okay, instead of this, I'm gonna do this. And where does start goal agent get called? Maybe we can just keep passing it back and forth in the front end. I don't know if that's a good idea. Start goal agent completion. Completion.text. Is it the dot response is what I'm gonna get, whereas the LLM chain gets text res.text. I just get straight up dot response. There's no res. Respond new. Okay. Completion.response. Okay. Let's just see if that part works. See if it prints out the completion response. Oh, did I lose my pasted code? No, I didn't. Excellent. Start goal prompt object. Is that good? What's object? Oh no, it's the completion. Node file name JS. Oh. You're a software engineer with the following objective. Write and test JS file to print hello world. Provide only one batch command. Node file name JS. Okay, well, why is this more stupid than a than the non-conversational one? That's so weird. I got a completely different response. This is very interesting. Maybe wait, if I write something else, maybe the goal isn't getting inputted. Maybe you can't do input variables with this. Write Python to print banana. Let's see if it still responds with Node.js. If it does, we can see that. Well, what happened? Task prompt. Oh no. It wrote Python to do that. Okay, so it is getting the goal. Create JS file to print current directory. Let's see if we can do that. Can I create batch commands? Damn it. GPT 3.5. That is annoying. Okay. Starting to really see the limitations. I'm gonna just paste what the commands would be in Chat 3.5 and 4 to see if that's really how I would get the response or not. Or there's something else going on. Alright, you're a software engineer with the goal of creating a file to print. Provide only one batch command. Well, they provided two. And they didn't create the JS file. Oh, not very good. GPT-4, how about you? What are you saying? Okay, that's way better, but it didn't respond with only one batch command, but that's fine. I put that in a node function, in a node engine or whatever. Does that work? Excellent. It doesn't work. So can I do this? Alright. Process.cwd, that would work, but damn. I don't like how I had to get to that answer. Nice. Okay. Abood asked something, so I got a bit more questions. Abood says, yeah, I launched a web app. Tech friend, if you're using OpenAPI, I wonder how much this test would cost. I am using OpenAI API, and it's quite cheap because I think one of the reasons is I'm using ChatGPT, like I'm using GPT 3.5. Look, here's my usage. Today it's only been 1 cent still. It's been 1 cent for the past hour. I'm not running very many like API calls. Yo, Pider, I love your content, fam. Thank you. Bliet. Oh, thanks for the rose, Bliet. Bliet's such a fun word to say. Hope it doesn't mean anything really bad. I know it is a swear word. Oh, damn. Okay, we've been at it for 3 hours. Well, it says I ran AutoGPT yesterday for a couple of hours. It was 16 cents. Yeah, AutoGPT was a lot more expensive for me. I don't know why. Do they actually use GPT-4? How can I use GPT-4? MK, hi. Thanks for saying hi. Thanks for dropping in. If you run these apps and try to do the chat with your documents, text embedding ADA model is expensive. Okay. Like, it's GPT-4 if you have access to the API. Yeah, no, but it's defined as GPT 3.5 Turbo here. And I tried just writing GPT-4, but it wasn't happy. It was not happy. Look, I'll try again. GPT-4. Unless I'm not typing it right, but I didn't even get like an error or anything. It just didn't work. I'll log it out as well. Here. Yeah, check it out. I close it? Oh no, it's just on a different thing. Anyway, it's here now. Write a new JavaScript file and run it. Model OpenAI chat. Model name GPT-4. Okay, so that's definitely getting updated. But for some reason, nothing happened. For some reason. Robert says you gotta sign up for GPT-4 still. And let's do that. You do that. GPT-4 API waitlist. We go. I have to provide new ideas. Debugging bot. Yep. So yeah, looks like I can't use the GPT-4, which sucks. Oh, I guess I have to get really good at prompting GPT 3.5 Turbo. I'm gonna discard some stuff. What is this? Probably discard these. Maybe I should leave them. There's nothing really useful. What is this? This could be useful. Execute task. Yeah, that one is useful. I think that's the return feedback stood out. Standard out. Oh man, this bloody Node version again. Yeah, that's fine. All right. It's 11. I think I might end the stream here. But plan for next time will be to probably mess around with these prompts such that I can get ChatGPT 3.5 to play better. Or actually, before I go, I might try test these prompts out on Vicuña. To see, maybe I should just get this whole thing packaged up offline if that's possible. So let's open up Vicuña. How can I do that? Try to do it here. CD Alpaca Turbo. No. Here. Alpaca Turbo. Sweet. Activate. Activate Alpaca Turbo. Sweet. Python API. I think that's it. Sweet. Let's run Alpaca Turbo with my prompts. John Power says Vicuña is supposed to be 90% of ChatGPT 4. Exactly. I made a video on it, but let's see if it's that good. If it's that good, then why even bother with ChatGPT? Robert says they max out a completion with 8,000 tokens, and a maxed out completion will cost you about $2. Okay, localhost 5,000. Alpaca Turbo. Night mode, please. Vicuña 13 billion, please. Alright. Let me get my famous prompt. This one. Okay. Copy. Okay. So it's successful. You're an autonomous software engineering AI. Make this bigger for you guys. Oh, it doesn't really get very good at big. With the following objective. Write and test a JavaScript file that prints hello world. Provide only one batch command to be inputted to a Windows terminal such that you are closer to or complete your goal. Shit, why did I miss that out here? That text. I feel like that was good to have. Yeah, I'm gonna put it back. Oh my god. I don't think I need this formatted instructions either. Robert asks, what's Alpaca Turbo? Alpaca Turbo is like Angular front end that they copied the UI of ChatGPT very similarly, so you can run models offline though. So yeah, I use it like as a web UI for running models offline. Alpaca, the large language model, is Stanford's model that I think they fine-tuned off Llama or something. I'm Cartoon, thank you for the follow. Yeah, look at this, it's not even responding. This is so slow on my computer, this Vicuña. I don't know if it's even broken or not, or do I need to restart it? Close your mind. Yeah, just Google Alpaca Turbo. There's a GitHub. Alpaca Turbo. This one. It's by Viper X7. Maybe I should pull their latest one. I feel like it might be better now. I might do that. Maybe that'll fix it. Let's stop it. Git pull. This isn't even a Git repository. Maybe it's because I'm in the conda. How do you exit the conda? Like that? It's now nothing. Excellent. Alpaca Turbo Git pull. It's not a Git repository. I must have just copied the stuffs. That's annoying. Alright, I guess we'll just try again. Hopefully this time it actually responds. Yeah, it's, I don't know. I don't know if it's just slow or it's completely broken. Maybe I can restart it and ask some. Oh, I did actually stop running it, so that makes sense. I can ask it to do something very simple just to make sure that everything's working as it should. Write JS. Print hello world. Z Hustle, yo, what's happening? Start my day and deploy a local instance of AgentGPT. Awesome. There's a few people that have said that in the chat. Nice. What's you gonna develop on it? Z Hustle, or what are you gonna do? Roge NZ says they're also using AutoGPT now too. Oh no, AutoGPT. Interesting. Dude, my Vicuña is not working anymore. What's happening? Attempting to generate. Attempt harder. Dude, this is working at one point. Should I try again? Maybe it wasn't set up properly. Or something. He also says, I was playing around with the browser version. Lopez says, just add Origin to pull the latest changes. Yeah. Do you reckon it's something that I need to pull? Like that's broken? I could do that. Oh, whoa. My refresh finally worked. That's interesting. Not selected a model. Model is loaded. Clear conversations. It asks, is this running locally? What's a repo? Yeah, it is running locally, this front end. Alpaca Turbo. Just search Alpaca Turbo by Viper X7. That's right, John Power. Abood asks, was anyone able to run AutoGPT on Linux? I'm not sure. I feel like it should be able to run on Linux. Roach says it's running now. 50 tasks to create a trading bot using Pycone trading view. Wow. Cool. He also says I want to make it output code, but I haven't been able to. Oh, I've got it to output code, some code. But I haven't been able to get it to take it further and debug. How does AgentGPT output code? Well, ChatGPT is what it uses on the back end, so and that can output code. Abood faced many errors on Linux trying to get AutoGPT running. Damn. Yeah, man, a lot of errors in software development. We're trying to push the boundaries. I'm really disappointed that this Vicuña thing's not working, dude. Does alpaca thing work? Didn't even load last time. Oh man. Well. Oh well. I'm gonna give ChatGPT my prompt, see what it said. Oh, did I not copy it? Damn it. Is there a way to see your clipboard history in Windows? Windows plus V. Can't show history. Oh, you gotta turn it on. I probably should turn it on. I don't know. It's okay. It's okay. Bird says they found GPT-3 buggy with code output. Yeah. Yeah, in my experience, GPT-4 is much smarter at that. Okay. No, why did it just disappear my text, dude? What the hell? You're kidding. Okay, good. I can control Z. Here's a one-line batch command. Nice. I bet if I copy the same thing, in my code, it'll be completely different for some reason. Will it? Oh crap. Let's go. Back into the other server I had. I still don't know how to exit from Conda. Okay. Write a JS file that prints the output backwards. Run with node. Oh, why is this like that? Okay. Deploy. Completion undefined. Everything is null. Why is that? Completion undefined. Completion. Completion equals start goal agent. Completion.response is undefined. We just respond with completion. Oh, excellent. That is actually kind of what I want. Okay, so changes a lot of things. But it's okay. I'm gonna tackle this later. I'd have to rethink how I do it. Because now it's like, now I'm getting it in the format where there's the backticks, which is what I kind of wanted initially, but as long as it keeps giving it to me like that, I can just select whatever is in the backticks. I really want it to only give one command at a time. You're an autonomous software engineer with the following objective. Provide one batch command to be included. Such that you are closer or complete your goal. Okay, since it didn't read that, provide a batch command. Type provide a batch command. Provide only one batch command and wait for response from the terminal. Okay. See what it does now. See you later, Abood. Thanks for joining the stream. Damn, this is my longest stream forever. Oh shit. Check it out. It actually did it. Oh, dude, I think that thing I added at the end actually really helped. Provide only one batch command and wait for the response from the terminal. That was a good one. That was a good one. You're a software engineer with the following goal. You have just ran last task. Let's add some line breaks here, boys. Result it in. And provide only one batch command to get closer to your goal and wait for the terminal response. Okay. Let's see. See, Hustle, what's wrong? Your feelings got hurt? Oh, is it because you asked you want to link up on Zoom? I don't use Zoom, but yeah, we can talk on Discord or Google Meet. But I don't. Oh, actually, Zoom probably has a web app now. Yeah, I could probably do Zoom as well. Oh my god, it says I cannot provide batch commands. Mother F. Try again. Wait, what happens there? Why does it even stop? Let's see. Result. After we create the task, get additional tasks. New task, get additional task. Okay. Just contact new task. Set task message. Added task this. Oops, sorry. Did it then send that? And task message and action message. Loop. Oh, so it goes back to the start, and now there will be a task. So current task. Execute current task. Okay. Did it do that? Completion. What do I say? Oh my god. Current task is what I am looking for. Current task. No, it never says that. Why is that? Completed tasks. Current task. I guess it, what does it get stuck on? Thinking. Loop. Oh, it should output loop. Does it never get into loop? What? So first it goes run. Run. And then it gets the initial tasks. And then runs loop. The hell? But I never get the loop message. Why is that? I'll restart. No, my I lost my RJS file that right, and test a JavaScript file that prints the alphabet when run with node. Oh, maybe that's coming in the front end. Oh, it is loop and run. Whoops. Loop 2. Okay. Loop 2 tasks. Oh, and then he gets a task 0 and completed, but we never get the completed message, so no, that's not the issue. What is the issue? 175 is the last. Is the last line of comments that's computed. Execute task. So it executes it. Oh, I should probably print this here. Maybe I'm getting an error from here, yeah. Run is not a command. That's excellent. That's what I wanted to respond as well. We'll hit you up on Discord. Thanks, Z Hustle. Appreciate it. Looking forward to talking. Okay. Oh. Echo that into alphabet.js. That's not going to work. Oh. I don't think that's going to work either. But where does it get stuck? Completion. So for that, it's 175. And then we get, oh, I guess it never, oh, Oh, we actually have to change my server now, because I guess it never responds after getting that error. Let's have a look. Code runner. Server.js, please. So yeah, I'm just gonna surround this in a try. Oh wait, we don't need that. We already catch the error here. Console.error, exec error. We'll do this. Res.send std error. Excellent. Run that shit back, turbo. Now I feel like it will keep going because it actually gets a response of the error. Let's see. Echo, okay. So stood out. Ooh, okay. Got an error. Still there. Nice. npm is not known. Now what is it gonna do? nvm install. nvm isn't known. Now, oh dude, we're actually getting somewhere. This is awesome. Kenna, thanks for sharing the live. Assuming you're running a Windows. And then it stopped. You mean I did provide my own API key, did I not? Where does that come from? We're sorry. We're sorry. Because I didn't have an API key. Oh, cool, we might get to sleep well tonight. Yeah, I hope so. I sleep pretty well yesterday because I also made some good progress. 07 asks, what stack are you using here? This project is mostly Next.js. I just copied it from AgentGPT. So it's a lot of Next.js, and on the backend they ping out to ChatGPT. They use a bunch of other stuff. Langchain is a thing that I'm learning. Yes, JavaScript. I know. You must like Python, but I am a JavaScript kind of guy. Send loop message. This loop has been running too long. Running down. Bro. The hell? Where does this come from? Max loops. No, we don't want none of that shit. None of this max loop shit. Get out of here. Get out of here, Max. Alright, write and test JS file to print hello world. Let's try that one again. Okay. Oh, why is it giving me text? Stupid ChatGPT. I specifically told you to give me a batch command. Stop. This would work really well with a fine-tuned model. The thing about ChatGPT, I feel like it's fine-tuned to respond in like an actual coherent sentence. Yeah, I'd like to shout out to Dan Sullivan and Sam Pepper for subscribing to my YouTube. I'm close, guys. I need some more subscribers. 10 more and I get 200. Help a brother out if you're into this ChatGPT stuff. And if you want to see my past streams, you can go to my live tab on YouTube, and I have all my past streams here. I started hacking this AgentGPT almost 24 hours ago. And we're almost there. Some small issues. Let me just see the order of what was run. Does it say? No, it doesn't say here. It must say in the front end then. Okay, echo console log. No, it doesn't. I don't know if I changed the execute command. What was the second one? You can follow. Okay. Okay, so the first prompt is really good. The second prompt is not as good. Alright, let's compare them. This is the first prompt. Is it? No, that's not the... This is the first. Oh, what did I do? What did I do? Close this so it doesn't save. And this is the second prompt. No, actually this is the first prompt. We change this one to be better. You are an autonomous software engineering AI with the following objective. Okay, apparently that works better, because that way they won't talk in English. That's actually a good point. You have just run this, which resulted in this. Provide only one batch command to get closer to your end goal and wait for the response in the terminal. Let's try that. I'm changing who they are, but I don't think they're some human. Bro, what happened? Okay, let's try that. Right, and test the JS file to print hello world. Echo hello world, good. Node hello world, excellent. Node is not recognized. Figure that out. No, it just started speaking in English again. Oh. But we got 2 steps of the way. That's better than 1 step. It's like 100% as much progress. I don't want you to say sorry. Alright, let's modify this. Do not speak in English. Only speak in batch. Let's try that. And Power says might be running out of GPT 3.5 tokens in memory, so it goes back to conversation. Oh shit, is that a thing? Why is this so limited, dude? It's like it does it perfectly the first times and then it's just like, nah, dude. Whoa, it's doing something else this time. Echo off node. Holy shit. What? It actually fixed it, but it did echo off to not get the errors. But how did it know? Wait, what? Let's see what this program file is that it made. I don't think it actually would have worked. This hello world, they made this. Yeah, it's still in. Dude, this AI is smart. It did echo off so it doesn't get the error. That's funny. Alright, could I be like, do not run, not speak in English, only speak in batch. Do not run the same command you just ran. Let's try that. Whoa, what did I just do? Pressing all the wrong buttons here. Joe is here, followed me. Thank you, Joe. Firetail says, yeah, you might have to keep reminding it the context on every prompt. Yeah, I actually do. I keep giving it all the previous commands and holy shit, it's setting path. I should definitely be running this in a VM. This is really crazy. It's gonna fuck up my computer. What is this? Type null hello JS. This is kind of exciting, but also scary. Dude, it's debugging. Look. Oh my god, dude, it's debugging. But it's going in circles. Set X path. Oh boy, dude. What is it running now? User admin. File completed. Why did it complete? Because it ran out of tasks. It shouldn't run. That was pretty cool though. That was exciting. That was exciting. I'm scared. I'm scared of it just run as user administrator set path, but it's kind of exciting and scary at the same time. Oh my god, I can't believe I got the prompts to be so good. I expected it to keep giving English, but we actually got it to only speak in batch. So cool. So cool. But yeah, how do I run this in a VM? I know how. Instead of using a local server, we'll use a VM running node. Is that a thing? VM running node. VM run your node with admin. I could make an EC2 on AWS. Do that. Yo, Melly Mello, how's it going so far? Have you made it? Yeah, I mean, I've made some great progress, I think. We've gotten to a stage where I'll just show you what happened. AJI, I told it a goal of write and test JavaScript file to print hello world. And then it said, okay, echo hello world. And it executed echo hello world and got a standard out of blank. Like, okay, now do node hello world JS. It executed node hello world JS and got a standard error of command failed. Node is not recognized. So then it tried to set node in my path. And then it tried to run it with node E. But still, it didn't have node. For some reason, it doesn't have access to node. And then it tried so many different things. It's so cool. It's like it's actually debugging. But it didn't get there in the end. Still very cool. I'm very impressed with the progress. It got kind of scary when I saw the word like administrator and like run as administrator and path. I was like, oh shit, it's getting serious. Because I'm just running this in my local machine, like I'm not using a VM. So Before I wasn't as scared because it was barely working and it'd run like 2 commands and then stop. But now it's actually like it ran those 10 commands in like not even 2 minutes. So yeah, probably not even a minute. Like this shit can like potentially debug really fast. Super excited for it. Yo, AJ joined. That's cool. Like an AGI. Damn, we've almost hit 4 hours streaming. This is like my longest stream by a long shot. It was very fun. Love doing this stuff. I'd like to thank everyone for watching. Yeah. That's it. I'll probably finish up here if anyone doesn't have any questions. Fireteller asks, have you looked at promptingguide.ai? No, I haven't, but I've just like, yeah, I'm so impressed by how far you can change things and how far you can take things with prompting. Hey, there's a lot of things to read here, but this is awesome. I'm gonna save this in my notes. Thanks for that, Fireteller. Does anyone else have anything else for me to look at before I leave? Mr. T, see you made some good progress. Thanks for coming back, Mr. T. Yeah, I'm really happy with the progress. Still hasn't successfully done anything to like a really impressive way, but they were definitely on that trajectory for sure. Okay. All right. I'm gonna wrap it up here. Thanks everyone for watching. Hope you have a good evening, morning, afternoon. Baby AGI, yeah, Mr. T. I've heard about that one. That one seems very similar to AutoGPT. I might have to look at that one too. Yeah. Till next time.